OOTD. Hey, hey.
Hey, hey.
Okay, we apologize for not posting a video in a while because I was MIA and she was working, so we kind of didn't
I'm still working. Today's like my only day off. Oh my god, on Friday I'm working 5 to 12.
Oh my gosh, that must be so intense. I feel so bad for you.
Yeah. Can you not zoom in my face?
Zoom.
Just record yourself.
Zoom. Okay, anyways, yeah, we're gonna go to the mall because she has some stuff to buy and I don't, so we're in Walmart again.
Where are you?
And so I'm gonna be leaving this poopy.
Italy.
Again, this is not a sponsored video.
Yeah.
We purchase everything with our own money.
I don't know. Stop zooming in my face.
So we're just walking now.
J. Crew.
J. Crew. She didn't choose a thug life. The thug life chose her.
So, look at the new stuff. I really like that, guys.
What do you think, guys?
The glaze doesn't sit on the shelf very well.
Hi, so we are at the dental office and she broke her neck. Subscribe to me. I'm Bob's Beauty.